Hello everybody, it's Mike. So I'm here with the AODELAN Grip for Sony cameras. It works with the Sony ZV-1 as well as the RX series of cameras. Probably works with some others as well with the Bluetooth functionality. I got this on Amazon myself for less than $70. It's not sponsored. I have no clue who this company is. They didn't have any written reviews, but it's got 5 stars. So we'll see how that works out. One thing that I liked about it is the price is half of what it is for the Sony version. And you could also remove the remote control from this one, which I figured would be really handy if you're needing to use your tripod and then stand away from it for a shot that's more in the distance. So we'll see how it works out. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon for you guys if you're interested in getting this instead of the Sony one. And I'll be sure to update you guys how this thing works out. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Alright, so black plastic, move this guy out of the way. So we have the grip, we have some instructions, it looks like, more instructions about the remote, battery lanyard, and something I think we're not supposed to eat, but I might try it later anyway. Now we have the grip out of the box. We're going to go ahead and put the battery in it. First you need to remove the remote. You pull this little tab down, and the remote comes right out. You're going to need a coin. Today I have Thomas Jefferson helping me, but I think any coin will work. You have to put it in the little slot, and then boom, it comes right out. I found that this is a little bit tricky though. Once you put the battery in here, it's very, very springy. Very, very springy. So you're going to want to kind of just gently put this on and hold it with your thumb. Get your coin and twist it back into place. Okay. Everything else about this grip is the same as the Sony. You can pull the legs out in the back, use it as a tripod. You can fold it up. You push the button on the back, and that way you can kind of rotate it around. If you push the button here on the side, that's how you move the head up and down. Very straightforward, just like the Sony version, except for this one has the removable remote. So I'm going to go ahead and get this paired up, and I'll show you how to do that as well, and we'll test it out and see how this thing works. Okay, so to pair this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to make sure that this button on the side that says lock, make sure that it's pushed downward. Best way I can explain it, in the instructions it says opposite of lock. I'm assuming that since that's lock, this would be opposite of lock. So you first put it into there. You have to go into your phone settings, which I'll go ahead and show you how to do now. Okay, so we're going to set up the remote to the camera. First thing you need to do is hit the menu button, go up and over to network, go down and over to the second page. You're going to go to Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth function, and turn this on. Hit the menu button to go back, go to Bluetooth remote control. We're going to turn this on. Now we're going to go back to Bluetooth settings, go down to pairing. Once you click this, you can hold down the snapshot button and the plus key on the remote. Alright, now that we see the device, we can click on OK, and it'll connect it. Alright, now we are ready. Hit the menu button to go back. Now on the remote, I can take a snapshot. I can start recording. I can stop recording. I can zoom in and out, and use all the other functions of the remote control. So that's the AODELAN tripod selfie stick. I personally think it's better than the Sony because you can remove the remote control, and the biggest thing is the price point. Less than $70 if you use the 10% coupon. I'll link to the Amazon store that I got this from in the description so you can take advantage of that 10% coupon. Also, if you don't like the selfie stick, you can buy just the remote by itself and use your own tripod or selfie stick with it. I personally like the whole kit because if I'm out and about, I think it's going to make it a little bit easier to do some things other than lugging around my tripod and extra equipment. If you like the cage that I have around here, I'll also put a link in the description for that. I believe it's around $50. I think it's one of the best accessories I've gotten so far. Hopefully this video has helped you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. Y'all been great, and I've been Mike.